Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Mobile ATM app. So as you can see, we have it here in Malware Tips, and that they have already exposed the scam. So Mini Mobile ATM app is a scam. So what they say here is, have you seen a social media ad promising that a 2-minute phone trick can turn your phone into a personal ATM machine, generating hundreds per day, which is actually too good to be true. And basically, you're just an idiot if you fall for that, or you're just a kid. So as you can see, what they do is they have fake social proof, authority building tactics, vague promises, and artificial scarcity, and hidden fees. And on top of that, they hook you with outrageous claims, drive to deceptive websites, get victims to pay initial fee, auto-enroll in recurring fees, and provide vague generic training and ignore refund requests. So please guys, do not fall for tricks like these. They're very obviously a scam. So people are still falling for scams like these, and if your children are falling for scams like these, I would advise you to take a closer look at them, or educate them about the scams in the internet. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.